Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, GBPUSD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we are what? We are going down. So let's come back to daily. Daily, we are already down. So this was your new downtrend. So you see this low is broken. Okay, so new low pullback, and then we going down again. So if you go and watch my maybe I don't know which video, maybe 2 days ago, maybe 3 days ago, in some GBPUSD video, I told you that we still have the potential to go down further 100 pips. Okay, so at that time we were at this candle, I guess, maybe here somewhere. Okay, so we were around 3350 at that time. Okay, and the price went until, sorry, 34 some zero, I guess. Yeah, there we were. Okay, so on this candle we were around 3430, 3425 on this candle. Okay, and at that time when I recorded the video a couple of days ago, I told you that we have the potential to go another 100 pips. Okay, so that's what exactly happened. Go and watch my previous videos, then come back and argue with me. Okay, so I told you on this candle we have the potential to go further 100 pips. That's exactly what happened. If you listen to me, you made 100 pips. Okay, coming back to 4 hour. So what do we do now? This is your new low. I am not going to take any trades in GBP USD. Price is exhausted. Okay, especially today's Friday. We have no idea if they will release the dollar news or not. Okay, last week on last Friday, they held the dollar news, so the market did not go anywhere. It was idle last Friday. Even today, I don't know if they will release the news or not. Okay, but I could see that if you come back to 4 hour here, you can take short only after the pullback. Okay, so I think today I have no idea, but it might just consolidate today, so the time will tell. But the short entry will only be if the price rejects this EMA. Okay, so pullback until the EMA rejection, then red engulfing candle, then only you go down. Otherwise, if this previous high is broken in 4 hour, we might continue the uptrend, but time will tell. I would say look for shorts in GBP USD, but I think this move is already over. So this week, today is the last day. So this week's move for GBP USD is already over. I don't think it will go further. Maybe it might go another 50 pips further down if it has to, if there is some volatility in the market today. Otherwise, this red candle has given us profits. If you entered here on Wednesday, I guess, okay, if you entered after Wednesday close, then in maybe Tuesday close, yeah, if you entered on this candle on 7th of October on the 8th of morning, then these two candles were your profits for this week. Okay, I told you 3 days ago that we had the potential to go another 100 pips. That is what exactly has happened. You don't listen to me, that's fine. Subscribe and like, join the Telegram, and trust me, nobody tells you this for free. Okay, so Other people do say, look for shorts, look for long, that's it, and then join their paid membership, which is fine. They're right. I'm a fool, okay? I give you this for free. I'm a fool, not your fault, my fault. Subscribe, like, join Telegram, join brokers through my link. If you don't, I'll stop doing this. It's only me who will decide for how long I want to do this, okay? Till then, take care.